Okay, this is Kendra, and this is a woodpecker. Standing next to is 3 dead buddies. We're going to attempt the extraction of the woodpecker without it pecking our eyes out. Or Kendra is. He's behind the desk! Get Joe!
He's gonna peck Joe's eyes out.
Joe's a pretty tough cat.
Well, yeah, but if Bert goes outside, then he's gonna run outside, and then how do we get Joe?
I haven't thought that far ahead.
Oh, you came so close, Bert! Oh, poor Bird. He's mounted on your computer.
Where?
Right there, underneath the monitor.
Yeah. Yes, this was much better than letting him die with his buddies.
Where is he?
He's behind the desk. Oh, dude.
Oh!
He's not too bright. Whoa.
Oh!
Whoa. Ah.
He's a pretty bird.
I'm sure he is. He'd be even prettier outside.
Oh!
Now we have feathers everywhere.
Even on our ceiling. Oh, he came so close.
I know.
Oh, wrong way. Oh, crap. He's never gonna go outside.
He's getting very concussed.
I know. I feel really bad for him. We have a net?
You know, you got a bird problem.
Oh.
Wow. Whoa! You can grab him.
I would if he didn't have a big long beak. Here, maybe I can walk behind him. That's right, you're going the right way. Good job.
You're like a herder of woodpeckers.
Oh, wrong way! He was almost there though.
I know, they're not very smart. That's probably why they don't make good pets.
Oh, go! Oh, you're going the right way. You went the wrong way. Oh.
Maybe they're blind in the dark.
I don't know. I feel really bad for him though. Oh, he's gonna be hurt.
Oh, trust me, he's already traumatized. It'll take years of therapy to fix him. He's surrounded by his dead buddies all day and a cat staring at him.